Hello, welcome to Subhiscrafart. To create a sun catcher, I have taken a cardboard. I'm going to draw the outline first. Now cut out the cardboard. I'm using black acrylic color to paint the butterfly. Both dried completely. Now I have taken a OHP sheet. Place the butterfly and mark the outline. Now cut out the OHP sheet. We are going to stick the OHP sheet with the cardboard. Apply some glue. Now place the OHP sheet. And again apply the glue on the another cardboard. Now place the cardboard on the OHP sheet. I'm going to color the butterfly using Fevicol glass color. So the glass color is dried completely. I have done 2 butterflies. So it looks so good. Using jute rope, I am going to tie the rope on the butterfly. So that's it. Sun catcher is ready. Tie the rope on the higher place near the window. It looks so beautiful. Try this out. Thank you.